Autumn had come to the island of Sodor. The fields were changing from yellow stubble to brown earth. I'll allow that. And the tractor was hard at work as Thomas was puffing along. Later, Thomas saw the tractor close by. "Hello," said the tractor. I'm Terence. I'm plowing. I'm Thomas. I'm pulling a train. What ugly wheels you've got." "They're not ugly. They're caterpillars," said Terence. "I can go anywhere. I don't need rails." "I don't want to go anywhere," said Thomas. I like my rails, thank you." Winter came with dark clouds full of snow. "I don't like it," said Thomas's driver. A heavy fall is coming. I hope it doesn't stop us." "Puh," said Thomas. "Soft stuff. Nothing to it." And he puffed off, feeling cold but comfortable. They finished their journey safely. But by now the country was covered. "You need your snowplow for the next journey, Thomas," says the Thomas driver. "Huh," said Thomas. "Snow is silly soft stuff. Won't stop me." The snowplow was heavy and made Thomas cross. He shook it and he banged it. And when they got back, it was damaged that his driver had to take it off. You're a very naughty engine," he said to Thomas. Next morning, Thomas's driver ran early and worked hard to mend the snowplow, but they couldn't make it fit. Thomas was pleased. "I shan't have to wear it. I shan't have to wear it," he told Annie and Clara. But Annie and Clara were worried. I hope it's all right, they whispered to each other. His driver was worried too. "It's not bad here," he said, "but it sure be deep in the valley." Silly soft stuff," muttered Thomas. "I didn't need that old thing yesterday, and I shan't today. Snow can't stop me." He rushed through a tunnel thinking how clever he was, but there was trouble ahead. "Cinders and ashes," cried Thomas. "I'm stuck." And he was. "Back, Thomas, back," said his driver. Thomas's wheels spun, but he couldn't move. The conductor went back for help, and everyone else tried to dig the snow away. But as fast as his dug, more snow fell down until Thomas was nearly buried. "Oh, my wheels and coupling rods. I shall have to stay here until I'm frozen. What a silly engine I am." And Thomas began to cry. Now the reason why I'm doing it at this part because Annie and Clara were moving backwards, and so it's like this. At last, the bus came to rescue the passengers. I'm using this older mail car because I couldn't find Bertie. I could have just used Trevor. I don't know how to get Terence on the rails, but I'll just use the industrial shunter. And then, who should come to Thomas's rescue but Terence? Snow never worries him. just pretending not to as well. He pulled the empty coaches away, then came back for Thomas. Thomas' rules were clear, but his wheel still spun when he tried to move. Terence tugged and flipped and tugged, and at last dragged Thomas away from the snow, ready for the journey to be clear. Home. Oh, thank you, Terence. Your caterpillars are great, said Thomas. I hope you'll be sensible now, Thomas, said his driver. And he puffed slowly away. For speed!